Ever wondered how to stay youthful and energetic as you grow older? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition to uncover 2 foods you should avoid if you want to keep that youthful glow. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our helpful tips from Life of Longevity. First up on our list is processed foods. You know, those tempting treats that come pre-packaged and loaded with preservatives. Sure, they might be convenient, but they're also packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and chemicals that can wreak havoc on your body over time. Consuming too many processed foods can accelerate the aging process, leading to wrinkles, dull skin, and even chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and God forbid cancer. Next, let's talk about sugary beverages. You know, those bubbly sodas and sweetened juices that tantalize your taste buds but wreak havoc on your health. These drinks may give you a temporary energy boost, but they also come with a hefty dose of empty calories and sugar that can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and even premature aging. Over time, excessive sugar consumption can contribute to the formation of wrinkles, sagging skin, and a dull complexion. So, what's the takeaway here? If you want to stay youthful and vibrant as you age, it's essential to ditch the processed foods and sugary drinks in favor of wholesome, nutrient-rich options. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of water to nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, the key to aging gracefully lies in making smart choices about what you put into your body. So, say goodbye to those processed snacks and sugary sips, and hello to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Life of Longevity for more tips on living your best, most youthful life. Until next time, stay healthy and stay young.